Welcome to Visa for Work, the leading manpower recruiting company of India. Today we are discussing about a new visa route opened in the UK. This new visa route, which was first announced in the spring of 2021 budget, will allow qualifying fast-growing businesses to hire high-skilled overseas workers. It is part of the government's endeavour to attract talented professionals to the UK. The visa will be open to applicants who can pass the language proficiency requirement, have a high-skilled job offer from a eligible business, a scale-up business with a salary of at least £33,000 per annum. Scale-ups will be able to apply to use the scale-up visa route through a fast-track verification process if they can demonstrate that they have annual average revenue or growth of 20%. A minimum of 10 employees at the start of this 3-year period. The UK government may also explore whether scale-ups who can demonstrate an expectation of strong growth in the future years could qualify following a review for the fast-track process. Individuals who obtain a scale-up visa will be able to extend their visa and settle in the UK after 5 years, subject to meeting the requirements. Details will be released in the beginning of 2022. Applicants will be eligible to apply for fast-track immigration process and have greater flexibility to work in the UK, move between different employers, and be eligible to apply for a settled status in the UK. The scale-up visas doesn't seem to require the applicant to be sponsored by the employer or from the employer to hold a sponsor license, so appears much more flexible than the current skilled worker visa category. This new route will enable high potential individuals to enter the UK without a job offer. Includes applicants who have graduated from a top global university. There is currently no published list of universities. However, this is expected to follow and may become even more specific to only include top global university graduates in a STEM subject, means science, technology, engineering and maths. Once the above routes are in place, the UK government plans to make this route more accessible and desirable for eligible applicants by no longer requiring them to have at least £50,000 in investment funds or to prove growth in international markets under this route. This new scale-up visa route will be opened in January 2022 and more details will be published by the government by that time. If you feel you are eligible as per the points highlighted here, please wait to hear further from us through this channel. Visa for Work has got demands from our existing panel of employers as well as new employers for the Czech Republic. We have openings for different categories. Please send us your profile through the given details in the description. We have new openings for general workers and automotive workers for Slovakia. Currently shortlisting by the employers are going on for Malta for the passenger bus drivers, security guards, skilled employees, housekeeping staff. Please find the Malta demand through our video link in the description. We do have few vacancies still available for Ireland hospitality management categories. Kindly watch the video for more information using the link given in the description. Moreover, we have vacancies to UK for the senior carers and chefs. Chefs and senior carers shortlisting interviews are happening nowadays. Serbia and Poland work permit applications are being accepted now. For any of these demands, please email us or call us using the details given in the description. Please stay tuned. We are coming up with more exciting demands from different European countries every week. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any further uploads. Thanks for watching.